Ellarigoo namaskaara. This is Satish. You are watching Kannadakali YouTube channel. Here we have a new conversation. This conversation happening between Malkin and Plumber, or Sir and Plumber. So usually sometimes when there is issue of plumbing issue or electrical issue, so what we actually do call any the service person or electrical person or plumbing person, and we may have to have at least a few words or a few sentences we may have to discuss with them. The conversation may happen. Even if you know few words, you can easily manage. So I have written a conversation. I hope it should be useful to you all. Plumber has come and he is actually saying, Madam, Madam, Maneyalli Yaaraadaroo iddeeraa? Iddeeraa means, are you there? Yaaraadaroo, anyone. Maneyalli, in the house. Okay, घर में कोई है क्या? Okay, Telugu. ఇంట్లో ఎవరన్నా ఉన్నారా? Tamil. வீட்டில் யாருன்னா இருக்கிறீங்களா? Okay. Maneyalli, or it can be also used as Maneyalli. Maneyalli, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Is there anyone at home? And Madam Ji is telling, ಯಾರು ನೀವು? Who are you? Okay. It also can be used as ನೀವು ಯಾರು? Okay. आप कौन? And then Plumber is telling, Madam, naanu, plumber. Madam, I am plumber. And Madam is telling, oh, ನೀವು plumberraa? That means, oh, you are plumber? Question. Okay. So that's actually asking, oh, are you the plumber? ನೀವು plumberraa? Plumber says, ಹೌದು madam. Yes madam. And Madam is telling, ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಏನು is what? Nimma is yours. Okay, Nimma, your. Hesaru, name. What is your name? It can also be used as ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? or ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? Anything. And Plumber is telling, Madam, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ತಿಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು is my name. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ತಿಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ. And Madam is telling, ಬನ್ನಿ. What is ಬನ್ನಿ? Banni is come with respect. Ba we use for younger one, that is -1. Banni is 00. 00 means order with respect. Okay. And Plumber is telling, yEnaagide madam. There are two words involved here. yEnu plus agide. Agide is has happened. yEnu is what. So what has happened? Okay. We can join it and then it has become the one single word. yEnaagide or yEnu agide madam. What has happened madam? And here in 10th dialogue we can see Madam is telling, kitchen nalli, that means in the kitchen. Wash basin hattira, that means near the wash basin. Neeru hOgtaa illa. Neeru is water. hOgtaa illa means it is not going. Okay. HOguu -1. Hogi 00. Hog we can use it as plain verb sound for going. Okay. hOgtaa illa means it is not going. That means near the wash basin water is not going. Okay. Or in the wash basin also we can think. Kitchen nalli wash basin hattira or wash basin nalli also you can use, no problem. Wash basin nalli ನೀರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, water is not going. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ is little. Check ಮಾಡಿ is check it out. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ it also can be used as ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ is will you see? Okay. It also can be used as watch or see, both. Nodu is -1. Nodi is 00. Nodtira is will you see with respect. Nodtiya will you see for younger one. That could be the 05. And this is 06. What is 06? 06 we have given one number to ask actually will you see, will you go, will you come, all those things with respect. Okay. And 05 means same concept. Okay. Nodtiya is will you see. Martiya is will you do. Kuditiya will you drink. All these things comes under 05. And Plumber is telling, sari madam, kitchen Elli ide madam. It can joined. Elli ide. We can join it. Elli plus ide. There are two words, no? ELLI or YELLI. If you take it, that is where. Remove that I in the ending and join this ide with L. It will become Elli ide. Where it is. or Elli ide, you can separate it. Sari madam, that means fine madam. Kitchen Elli ide madam. Where is kitchen madam? Torostaaraa, Torostaaraa. Please make it as TORUS. Okay, so Torostaaraa is better. Torostaaraa, will you show it to me? And madam is telling, Banni, come. Nodi is see. Ide means this only. Idu is this. Ide means this only. Plumber is telling. So he actually checked it out. There was some air block. He rectified. And then he's telling, ready aitu madam. That means it got ready madam. Ready ho gaya madam. Telugu, ready ayindi madam. Tamil, ready aachi madam. And 14 dialogue we can see madam is telling, yEnaagide. There are two words involved in this. yEnu plus agittu. That means what had happened. Okay. So kya hua tha? So yEnaagide. Plumber is telling, Swalpa air block agittu madam. There was some air block madam. Agittu means had happened. Okay. Air block agittu. There was some air block. Swalpa is some. 16 dialogue we can see. Iga sari hOgtaa. So now has it got repaired? Sari hOgtaa. And hOgtaa means did it go? Separately, if you use bus hOgtaa means did bus go? But here sari hOgtaa means has it got repaired? Like that we have to think in this context. Plumber is telling, houdu madam? Yes madam. 18 dialogue. Oh good, madam said. Then 19 dialogue. Plumber is asking, ashtena madam? Is that's all only madam? Ashtu is that much. Ashte is that much only. Ashtena, that much only or what? Question. And then 28 dialogue. Madam is telling, illa, no. Bathroom nalli ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು leak ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, bathroom nalli, that means in the bathroom. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, that means little. Some. ನೀರು, water. Leak ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I have taken English word actually. Leak ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. That means there is leakage. Okay, in the bathroom. We can use it. The original verb will be ಸೋರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೋರು is -1. So, okay, ಸೋರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ is it is leaking. And plumber is telling, ಯಾವ bathroom madam? Yava is which? Okay, yavudu is which one, remember? Okay, so ಯಾವ bathroom madam? Which bathroom madam? Madam is telling, banni, torostini. What is here also we have to take it as TORUS, torostini. Okay, so that you will get more grip actually in the voice. You can even avoid actually the O, the fourth letter. Torostini you can use, or torostini is better. TORUS you can use it. Torostini. No, she took him to the plumber and then she is actually showing it to him, saying that Nodi is see. Idu is this. So here I have written the verb actually show. Torisu is show -1. Torisi is show with respect. Okay. Torostini, that means I'll show. Torostia, that is 02. Okay, you will show. Torostivi, we will show. Torostiri, that is 04. Torostia, will you show for the younger one? Okay, क्या तुम दिखाओगे? Okay, Torostaaraa, क्या आप दिखाएंगे? 06. 07, Torostaaraa, she will show. 08, Torostane. 08. 09, Torostaaraa, someone will show with respect. Torosutte, it will show. What is this numbering system? This numbering system I have actually given for the verbs so that you can get language very easily. What you can do, when you go to our channel, YouTube channel, please go to playlists. There I have separated few the videos like first week practice, second week practice, third week practice. If you are the beginner, please watch the first week practice. You will get few words at least. Then you come to the second week practice. Second week practice and third week practice, very very important. You know why? All these numbers I have explained one by one, like 00, then 0 -1, then 00, then 01, then 02, then 03, with few examples and sentences. Those 2 weeks videos, whatever we have for the second week and third week, if you practice very well, you will be easily able to understand all the other videos what I have uploaded. Okay, so that actually I am uploading in the order, okay, which is second week and third week. The fourth week also I am planning, actually third week few more, at least 3 or 4 more videos I need to upload it. Then even I am going to focus on the simple past, so it will become more easy for you if you learn it in the order. Okay, just go to our YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then see there in the playlists there are videos like first week practice, second week practice, third week practice. If you have enough time, you practice first week sessions, then you go to second week practice. If not, start with second week practice, complete each one video second week practice, then you go to the third week practice. You can easily understand bit by bit. Okay, if you know once the numbering system, then you can easily get all the other the videos whatever we have uploaded, you can easily understand. We also do conduct online classes for spoken Kannada. If at all you are interested, please do let me know. You can note down my mobile number 93418 95618. 93418 95618. So we have completed about 34 batches we have completed, and 35, 36 and 37th batches are going on. 38th batch is going to commence from 29th of June. So that will be evening batch. 8 to 9 it will happen. So Tuesday, Thursday and Saturdays. There will be total 15 sessions. Duration would be 32 days. So if you are interested, please do let me know. And here 23rd dial we can see plumber is telling, Madam, pipe ಒಂದು change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Need to do. ಒಂದು is one. Okay, change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Change I have taken English word. Change करना है. Telugu. Change చేయాలి. So pipe ಒಂದು change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And madam is telling, ಹೌದಾ? ಸರಿ. ಸರಿ means ठीक है. That's fine. Change ಮಾಡಿ. That means may change it. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ? డూ యూ హ్యావ్ విత్ యూ? ఓకే, ఆప్కే పాస్ హై క్యా? తెలుగు, మీ దగ్గర ఉందా? తమిళ్, ఉంగలిగిట్ట ఇరుకా? ప్లంబర్ ఈస్ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನೋ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅಂಗಡಿಯಿಂದ ತರಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್. ಅಂಗಡಿಯಿಂದ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್, ತರಬೇಕು, ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್. ओके, तरबेकू, नीड टू गेट, लाना है, वो जो हमने हिंदी में यूज़ करते हैं. 26th dialogue we can see here, madam is telling, सरी तಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? That means fine, will you get it? क्या आप लेके आएंगे? क्या आप लेके आएंगी? तಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಾ -1, लेके आओ. ತಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ, bring it with respect. ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, I'll get it. ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ 02, ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ 03, ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀರಿ 04, ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ 05, ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ 06, ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ 07. ಸೊ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯಂಗರ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್. ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ 08, ವೆರಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ 09 ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್. ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ, ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್? ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮನಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಆರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ? ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮನಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ಪ್ಲಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, 300 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 300 ಮೇಡಮ್. 300 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. 300 is 300, 200 is 200, 100 is 100. 300 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 300 ಮೇಡಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಸರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ತಾನೇ? ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್, ನೋ? ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಇಸ್ 04, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ತಾನೇ? ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ, ಇಸ್ಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? आप जल्दी आएंगे ना? ओके, हिंदी में. And 38th dialogue we can see here. Before we go to 38th dialogue, just see here the verb come. Boys come. For the younger one, what we use -1. Banni is come with respect. Bartini means I'll come. Always 01 I have used for the self actually. Bartini means I'll come. 01 present continuous, barta iddini. Okay, 01 simple past, bande, I came. 02 is ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ವೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಕಮ್? ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಕಮ್? ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ? ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಕಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ? ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಕಮ್? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದಿ WH questions I have applied in the 02 for younger one. Same concept for the WH questions for the with respect for the 04. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಕಮ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಕಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಕಮ್. Then ಬರ್ತೀವಿ is we will come. 03 dedicated to say something about first person plural. 05 ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ means will you come. So all the will question is going in the 05 and the 06. 05 for the younger one, 06 with respect. ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ means will you come for younger one. ಬರ್ತೀರಾ is will you come with respect. And then here we can see 29 dialogue. Plumber says, ಹೌದು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. Okay, just about 15 minutes madam. That about we have used is actually ಒಂದು. Okay, it is not actually exactly ಒಂದು. Just on the 15 ನಿಮಿಷ madam, just about 15 minutes madam. ನಿಮಿಷ, minutes. Madam is telling, after some time he got the pipe. Okay, and madam is asking, pipe sikta? That means, did you get the pipe? Siktu is the answer, sikta is the question, did you get? And plumber is telling, ha, siktu madam. Yes madam, I got it. And 32nd dialogue, plumber is telling, madam, ready aitu. So he made it repaired, he fixed it by that pipe. Then the leakage issue was actually, it was cleared. Now he is telling, madam, ready aitu. That means it got ready. Iga leak aagta illa. Now it is not getting leaked. Okay, nodi. Nodi means see with respect, nodi. And 33rd dialogue we can see, madam is telling, oh good. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್, ಮತ್ತೆ is again. Akasmat means in that case, in case. Leak adre, if happens. Okay, if leak happens, what to do? She's asking. If at all, again leak happens, what to do? So if it is leaking, what to do? Plumber is telling, agodilla madam, it will not happen madam. Agodilla means it will not happen. Okay, madodilla means will not do. All these things very easy. Just remember verb sound plus odilla. Hogodilla means will not go, and that can be applied for any person. ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. ವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ. ಸೊ ವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ವರಿ ಮತ್ ಕೀಜಿಯೇ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಆದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಆದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಸರಿ ಸರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೇಬರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೇಬರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, 600 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 600 rupees. 600 is 600 rupees. 600 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಪ್ಲಂಬರ್ ಸೇಸ್, ಈಗಲೇ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಈಗಲೇ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್, ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸೆಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಆರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಫೈನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಡಿಡ್, ಸರಿ 550 ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ 550. 550 ಕೊಡಿ, ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ 550. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ತಗೋ ಇಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಯಂಗರ್ ಒನ್. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಸ್ लीजिए. ತಗೋ ఇస్ लो बोलने के लिए. సో తగో తెలుగు తీసుకో, తగొళ్ళి అంటే తీసుకోండి, తమిళ్లే. ఓకే, ఐ ఫర్గాట్ దట్ వర్డ్ ఇన్ తమిళ్. తగొళ్ళి. ఓకే, ಪ್ಲಂಬರ್ ಸೇಸ್ 48 dialogue, ಸರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್, I don't say to my mom or someone saying that I am going. I say I'll come. So that means I'll go and come. That is the meaning. Nanu bartini means I'll come. That means I'll go and come. 41st dialogue we can see. yEnaagide. That means anything. yEnaagide. Repairy idre. Iddare. IDDARE. Please avoid that A. Idre. Call madi madam. Call madi madam means please call me madam. Madam is telling, sure, call ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Surely I'll call you, she said. I hope this conversation was useful to you all. Okay, if yes, please share our videos to all your friends, and also please write your valuable comments. If you haven't not subscribed as of now, please subscribe our channel. And we are, as I said, we also do conduct online classes for spoken Kannada. If you are interested, please do let me know. Namaste to all.